Hello everyone! Today I will share my personal opinion about some of the best automatic pool filters. For the price and more information, click the link in the description below. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which automatic pool filter are you using right now? And what is your opinion on it? Let me know in the comments. Your support will help to keep me running, so please subscribe to my channel. Number 1. Gilmer 13 Brass 2 Connector. This type of filler helps in filling up water quickly as it has two sets of handles by which you can easily use. They can be used for filling not only pools but any other tank or thing as well, so if you are searching for something convenient and helpful for you, you must pay attention to this one. It is a bit manual but it fills up the water really quickly. You don't need to worry about the shortage of time, as this product will surely save much of your time as it contains a dual shutoff valve by which you can control water really easily. You can shut it up and down anytime easily. All you need is to connect it with a hose and it will do its work. These handles are made from the finest plastic to provide you with extra grip, which helps you in turning on and off. It has a really good valve with which you can easily connect a hose and bring on the game. Number 2. Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool. This model is more keenly priced than the Premier while still offering capable cleaning performance, even with larger in-ground swimming pools up to 50 feet long. Let this machine buff up the floors, walls, and waterline of your pool so you don't need to. You'll be good to go with this pump right out the box. There's no need to concern yourself with pre-installation, and you won't have to connect this to your pool system either. Just slip it in the pool and let the robot do the work. For anyone always crunched for time, you'll appreciate the ability of this pool cleaner to blitz the whole pool in around 2 hours. Your only requirement is to punch in how many times each week you want the Nautilus to do its work. Thanks to the clever clean technology baked in, your robot will establish the optimum method of cleaning your pool rather than scouring in completely random patterns. Cables rotate through a full 360 degrees, meaning you won't be burdened by a tangled bird's nest of cables. Number 3. Zodiac Barracuda Automatic Pool Cleaner. A suction-side pool cleaner makes a much more affordable option than a robot cleaner without stiffing you when it comes to cleaning power. If you're uncertain of how these types of cleaners differ, scroll down to our buying guide below where we highlight this. The G3 would make a perfect fit for anyone with a low-speed pool pump and a pool that accumulates small and medium-sized pieces of debris. The wheel deflector on this pool cleaner is a neat touch, allowing the G3 to glide with ease even around tighter corners. Maneuverability is one of the key selling points here. Water flow is adjusted automatically thanks to the flow keeper valve in place. For anyone with a weaker pump, this allows you to keep the cleaning power maximized. With the Barracuda, you can efficiently clean your entire pool, even the walls and the steps. Not all pool cleaners are capable of such versatility. As mentioned, this cleaner is a super maneuverable. Beyond this, you'll also benefit from lengthy hoses. Number 4. Dolphin Premier Robotic Pool Cleaner. Dolphin is a heavyweight in the pool cleaning vertical. You also get a microfilter and a jumbo debris bag thrown in. Dolphin products might not be cheap, but you benefit from these extras that go some way to compensate for the stiff sticker price. The power plant is powerful and agile. The 24V motor runs at up to 3000 RPM. At the same time, it's also extremely energy efficient. You'll actually find yourself using less power than if you used a booster pump. The highly effective SmartNav software in place ensures that your Dolphin doesn't thrash around wildly in the pool. After establishing the optimum cleaning pattern, the cleaner snaps right into the action. The Dolphin cleans the pool thoroughly thanks to a pair of brushes. These get to work on any surface marks and the robot vacuums up afterward. You should experience every little by the way of tangled cables thanks to the 360-degree anti-tangle swivel utilized. This cleaner won't clean the tops of any ledges or steps. It manages to neatly avoid them. Number 5. Polaris Vac Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. With this iteration of the Polaris, you get a powerful and efficient pool cleaner. This is a pressure side model. If you're unclear on what that entails, scroll down to our buying guide below. Essentially, it simply means that you can easily hook this thing up to a dedicated pressure line. This cleaner features the classic 3-wheel design, giving it a great deal of agility. It's designed to work in all in-ground pools of all shapes and sizes. You'll get 31 feet of feed hose included, which gives you ample room for maneuver. You should be aware in advance that you'll need a booster pump like this one. The double jets on board optimize cleaning by providing superb vacuum power. You can get the whole pool cleaned in around 3 hours, and you won't need to follow up with much manual cleaning either. The cleaner sweeps, scrubs, and then vacuums your pool so you get a comprehensive cleanup without needing to lift a finger. The design of the filter means that debris is removed before it barrels into the filter. Thank you for watching this video. To get more informative videos, please subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.